friends, in this video we will see and learn to use a very powerful tool of Microsoft Word, which is Find and Replace. I have this document. Let's say my document has these words, standard operating procedures, for a couple of times, and I want to replace them with their short form, which is SOP. It could be time consuming to find each time the words standard operating procedure have appeared and then to replace it with SOP. But first, we have to find out how many times the word standard operating procedures have appeared in this document. In order to find out, click on View, and in the Show group, click on Navigation Pane. In the Navigation Pane, you can type the words standard operating procedures. It will show the number of times the words standard operating procedure have appeared in the document. You can see it shows 26 results. There is also a faster way to find the number of times a word or words have appeared in the document. For that, close this navigation pane, go to Home ribbon, and in the editing section, click on Find. It will also open the navigation pane. However, the fastest way to open the navigation pane is to use the short key. But first we will close this navigation pane. The shortcut to open the navigation pane is Ctrl+F. Hold the Control key and then press F. Alright, now we have found that the words standard operating procedure have appeared in this document for 26 times. And I don't want to change these words one by one, as this could be very time consuming. Now it's time to replace these words with their acronym, which is SOP. For that, you can either click on Editing and then click Replace. You can see a dialog box has opened. This dialog box has 3 tabs. The first one is Find, the second one is Replace, and the third one is Go To. We are going to use Replace tab. In Find What, type the words that you want to find. In Replace With, type the words that you want to replace with. For example, I want to replace standard operating procedures with SOP. Therefore, I will type SOP. Now click on More. There are also some advanced options that you would like to play with, like match case, use wildcards, and lot of other options. However, I would like to stay with the Replace With feature. Here, either you can replace the word or you can click on Find Next. First, I click on Find Next. You can see the words standard operating procedures are highlighted in a heading. If you want to replace them, click on Replace, or you can click on Find Next. You can replace the next highlighted words by clicking on Replace. It will automatically highlight the next standard operating procedures word. If you want to replace them, click on Replace. If you don't want to replace them, just click Find Next. Either you can replace the words one by one, or you can just click on Replace All. It will replace all the words and show a notification that it has made 25 replacements. Then click OK. Here I would like to mention that there is a short key for replace function. The short key to open the replace function is Ctrl+H. We just close this dialog box, then hold the Control key and press H. Now let's see what are the hidden features of Find and Replace. Here you can see these headings. These headings are in italic format and they are underlined as well. There are many headings like this one in this document, like 3 to 4 headings per page. And there are 13 pages in my document. If we want to replace the font of all these headings, for example, we want to make these headings bold but not italic and not underlined, then it will consume some time. We can save the time by using the Find and Replace tool of Microsoft Word. What we need to do, just go to Editing and click Replace. There is also a shortcut of Replace, which is Ctrl+H. You can see a dialog box has opened which has two text boxes. The first one is Find What and the second one is Replace With. What we need to find is the italic font in this document. We will click here, then go to Format and click on Font. We want to find italic font and then click OK. And then we want to replace this with what? With a font which is not italic, and then click OK. You can see both of these settings have appeared here, from italic to non-italic. Then click Replace All. The dialog box says it has made 35 replacements. And do you want to search from the beginning? Click OK, yes, and then OK. You can see all of these headings have become non-italic. Still, you can see the headings are not bold and they are also underlined. For that, you have to use this tool once again. Now click in the first box, then you have to click No Formatting. Then click on the second box, then click No Formatting. The removal of formatting is compulsory. You have to remove the previous settings. Then click on the Find What, go to Format, select Font. This time, what do you want to do? You want to find the text which is underlined, then click OK, and want to replace this text with what? Go to Format, click Font. You want to make this text bold as well as not underlined. Then click OK and then click Replace All and then click Yes. It has made 32 replacements. Close this dialog box and scroll down the document to see that these headings have been changed from italic and underlined to bold only. You may have to use this tool 1 or 2 times to obtain the font settings of your choice. In the first round, we made the headings not italic, and in the second round, we removed the underline and made the text bold. You can see that couple of replacements have been made and we have saved couple of our minutes. It took me a few minutes to demonstrate it to you, but when you will do it by yourself, it will take less than a minute. Please let me know about the functionality and practicality of this handy tool. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.